Hey everyone, check out this DIY refitting UVC reciprocating saw adapter designed for your Hismith saws. Made from durable stainless steel, it offers smooth surfaces that are easy to clean and built to last. The powerful spring built into the adapter absorbs oscillations, providing a smoother, less rigid cutting experience. This adapter connects seamlessly to your reciprocating saw, enhancing its functionality and versatility. It's perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their saw with a reliable, high-quality attachment. Whether you're tackling tough jobs or DIY projects, this tool improves performance and control. Give your reciprocating saw a new level of efficiency with this smart adapter solution. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.